Hey guys, wagwan wagwan, welcome back to Jamaican Cuisine. It's your girl Shanice. In this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how I made this quick and delicious dinner. It's stuffed chicken breast, sauteed green beans, and some mashed potatoes. Let's jump right into it. So let's go ahead and butterfly or chicken breast. These are already cleaned and washed. So I'm going to cut at the bottom, just a small cut, and make a hole. And then I'm going to do the regular butterfly cut. Basically just making a cut at the bottom for two of the chicken breast and the regular butterfly method for the other two pieces. Let's go ahead and season our chicken. In my bowl, I'm going to go ahead and add a pack of Sazon and a tablespoon of Jamaican jerk seasoning. Guys, please feel free to season with whatever you have. I'm gonna go ahead and add a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, a teaspoon of dried oregano, tablespoon of Adobo All Purpose seasoning, followed by a teaspoon of smoked paprika, pinch of salt, which is optional, and then we're gonna mix all these beautiful seasonings together. Go ahead and drizzle some oil on your chicken so the seasoning is spread evenly throughout, and we're just gonna go ahead and season every single piece, every part of our chicken breast. Make sure you get inside the cuts, no bland chicken raw near. So to my skillet, I added a tablespoon of unsalted butter. We're gonna go ahead and saute half of a red onion and 4 cloves of garlic. Once those are nice and translucent, we're gonna go ahead and add a cup of frozen spinach. Fresh spinach will work. We're just gonna saute this beautiful mixture together for like 2 minutes, and then we're gonna put it to the side, clean our skillet out, and we're gonna go ahead and sear our chicken pieces. So on high flame, we're just gonna allow these babies to get some nice color. I'd say around 2 minutes per side, because we're gonna finish these in the oven and we don't want our chicken pieces to be overcooked. So just so you guys know, it's better to stuff your chicken before actually frying them. I completely forgot to add the filling to my chicken breast, but nevertheless, we're just gonna do it now. So to our filling, we're gonna go ahead and add 8 ounces of cream cheese, which is a cup. We're gonna go ahead and add a cup of Parmesan cheese and around 2 teaspoons of the seasonings we used to season our chicken. Mix that in, and we're gonna go ahead and add this to our chicken. As I said, guys, it's easier and less messy to do it before you actually fry the chicken. We're gonna bake at 380 degrees Fahrenheit covered for 15 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and make our mashed potatoes. So I'm cooking around 5 large Yukon potatoes. Add some salt to your water, guys. Then we're gonna go ahead and mash your potatoes. So I added 2 heaping tablespoons of unsalted butter, followed by a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. This is how I make my mashed potatoes, guys. You have to try it. And then I just added a heaping teaspoon of all-purpose adobo seasoning that already consists of salt and black pepper. We're gonna mix that in really well until it gets to the consistency you want it to be, and that's it. For the green beans, I just added it to around a teaspoon of oil, saute it a little bit with a little salt, a little pepper, and around a tablespoon of soy sauce. Go ahead and just move them around the pan so that they're evenly cooked. And then in the meantime, we're actually gonna uncover our chicken and allow it to bake for an additional 10 minutes because these chicken pieces are very thick. So we want to make sure that they are cooked fully right throughout. And that's it, guys. We have dinner. Easy. This literally took 25 minutes to make, and everyone will enjoy it. It can be a little romantic dinner, if it's your anniversary and you don't want to go out, you gotta spice it up sometimes. So you guys have to try this recipe. You don't have to go out to have fancy food, you can make it from your own kitchen. Make sure you go ahead and drizzle some of that sauce from the chicken on top. Add some to your mashed potatoes. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time.